Go to the link in the description and download the connector for the Net framework. Now install the program to wherever you like. So on my computer I have already installed it. We'll also need a database, where you can store all the things we need to. You can use XAMPP or search for any provider. So I don't know why this picture's stretched like that, but if you open XAMPP, it should look like this. So press start on Apache and MySQL, and then press the admin button on the MySQL tab to open up PHP MyAdmin. So now I'm just clicking some database stuff. You can make it however you like. I'll put this into a time reference so that is way faster than I did this. Bring your own creation to that. So after we have done our database, we are going on to C# and right clicking the references tab. Now press add reference, go to extensions and search for mysql.data. Press OK and now you can see it is imported. Go to the project tab and go to add component. Now add a new class and call it however you like. I call it SQL DB for database. Now we are into this class, and first we need a string that declares the username and server name and password and which database we connect to. So create a new string and call it however you like. We need to write it exactly like this because we need to ask the MySQL server, and that's another language. So the server is a local host because we host it on our own PC. The UID is a user name we log into. If you have anything default, then it's root and no password is given. And the database is the name of the database which you created before, which I did in the time refer. So now bind this reference into our class with using MySQL data MySQL client. Now we can use all the functions in this reference in our class without a limit. The string should be in the class. A little mistake. Watch the clock in the bottom right corner. Always working on that time. So make a new function, call it test database, because this function will only test the connection to the database, and do it into a try catch block, because if there's an error with connecting to the database, we should give it to the user of this program. He should know it failed and why. Especially we should. So now make a connection with MySQL connection. We can use this because we have implemented our MySQL data reference. Make a new object, call it connection, because it is a main connection. And use it with a database connection string. So now with connection we can connect to our database. So now just connect to the database with connection.open. So now it opens the this make a new object into our form class, so we can use the method we have created in our new class called SQL DB database, and yeah, use it like I did. You don't have to make a new class. You can also write everything in our form, in the form 1 CS. That doesn't matter, but it's clearly better to make a new class, because so you have everything with mysql in this class, and you have everything other things like buttons in the other class, and so you directly know if something is wrong in the MySQL connection or in the MySQL function. You don't have to search into the form in the form class. You just go to the database class and change it there, so you can search errors and directly correct them.